we must stop CIBIL score system throughout our Indian bank system, throughout India. We don't need any kind of CIBIL credit score system. I have seen many millions of youth, adult people are struggling for taking loans from the banks, financial systems. What is the mean CIBIL? CIBIL is a private company from America. They are working in India. CIBIL means Credit Information Bureau, India Limited. It is an American-based company. Name is TransUnion CIBIL. They are taking our whole data, financial data, from India to America. We are Indian people, 150 crore people, and they are taking all our data, our social data, our financial data, our behavior data, our all kinds of digital transaction payments. These all data, our PAN cards, our Aadhaar cards, each and everything they are taking from Indian people. I think this is a very serious topic. If you are listening to me, listen it carefully, because we need a movement. If this CIBIL system is running throughout India, India will go in down. Remember, India will become again such a inner trap. Look, one of my friend trying to just take a loan for 50,000, sometimes 20,000. One of my friend is taking a loan of 50,000. He has a 3 years income tax return file. He has a nice good income, but he has not taken loan. Still 8. His age is above 40, 45. But many banks and financial institutes are saying that if you have no CIBIL score, if you have no in system, so you will not get any kind of loan. Do you understand? His reputation is good, his behavior is good, but he is not receiving any kind of loan. This CIBIL system is destroying many small entrepreneurs throughout India. Farmers, students, women, girls, they are not taking any, they are not allowing, banks are not allowing small loans to these people. Where we are heading in India? Look into this matter. This is a serious. CIBIL system is a dangerous thing for India. We have to erase from the foundational. This is a tree of poison. We have to just catch it and burn it. Otherwise, India will not go ahead. India will stop. Keep in mind, I am just observing China's score system. Millions of people are becoming homeless in China because of social credit system, because of financial system, because of they are not correcting their social and financial systems. They will not get any kind of job. They will not purchase any kind of train tickets. They are not going to other countries to stay because they are not allowed to purchase tickets of airplanes. This is a dark side of China. Millions and millions of people are struggling in China because of this score system. And this is another kind of pandemic. This is a financial pandemic. Keep in mind, this is my word. And I am speaking in the word of capital word, like a warning. Just read warning word in capital. This is a warning. China has already given us a coronavirus pandemic. Okay, this is another thing is coming to India, to America, to overall whole world. The CIBIL, your credit system. This system has no any kind of human touch. They have created the artificial system, artificial intelligence system. It's like I have read one news in newspaper and I have seen some television or a news about a girls is coming to examination hall late for just 2 minutes, and the examiner is not allowing her to enter inside to give her exam. Just 2 minutes. Let her come inside. Okay, because it's a 3-hour paper. Just 2 minutes she has come late and you are not allowing her. What kind of system we are creating? The whole examination is wrong. I want the whole examination throughout the world has to erase, has to remove from the education system. Examination, our intelligence can't count through examination. By the way, the whole world has created these people who have not gone to the school, colleges, they have dropout students have created this world. Examination is a poison. Like that, CIBIL credit system is a poison. We have to just burn that system from the India. This is an American company. Why we are providing our data to America? This is our home. I don't want any kind of controversy. I just want to your attention to this serious topic. In India, there are millions of young people, adult people, they are struggling to take for loans. They are not, banks are not allowing loans to them because of they have bad credit system, credit score, or they have not taken any kind of loan, so they are not in system. We must stop this system throughout the India. Because if India has to go ahead, we must give loans to each and everyone who have ideas, who have good intentions, who has something that India can lead in prosperity. Our girls, our women, they are struggling also. I have seen many girls and many women, they are asking about this bad thing about the CIBIL score. What kind of system we have created this? So I just want RBI's attention financial minister, India's financial minister Nirmala Sitharaman's attention, our Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi's attention, our Home Minister Amit Bhai Shah. Look into this matter. We need a transparency. We need just human touch for this CIBIL score. And I don't want this. There is no need for CIBIL score in India. You understand? There is no need, any kind of need of CIBIL score. If a person has not taken loan, I have one friend who has a 45-year-old, he has not taken any kind of loan till to the date. And he has a good report, financial statement. Still he is not getting any kind of loan, even small loan. Why? Because he is not in system. What kind of this system? So I want each and every member of parliament in India must raise this topic, subject into the Samsad Bhavan, into the parliament, and let go this dangerous and cruel CIBIL system throughout India. We don't need any kind of CIBIL system. TransUnion has, this is called TransUnion CIBIL. TransUnion is American company. This is a private firm. Why you are allowing this private firm to take our data? Our money, they have to check our social behavior, financial behavior. Who are they? Look, I don't want any kind of controversy. Okay, I am just speaking the facts, and we need solutions. Because in my heart, we need to prosper India with all ways. Because I am looking to the young people, I am looking to the small entrepreneurs, farmers and women and girls. They are in a helpless mode, because they are not receiving any kind of loan from anyone. And after, if you are not giving loan, banks are not giving loan, then there are sharks who are evil-minded people, who are selfish people, like a Hindi word, saukar, private lenders. They are sharks. They are giving loans, taking their lands, taking their valuable items, and then crime is increasing. Financial crime is increasing. Violence is increasing. You understand? People are going to the apps. If not, bankers are not giving you loan because of CIBIL score. People are giving, small entrepreneurs, they have dreams. They are going to the apps. There are many fake apps, and this is a trap. I have seen that just a few days back. I saw the news that one Russian woman living in the caves with her 2 daughters, and she told some journalist that I don't fear about the animals, the snakes and all these things, but I have a fear for human. Human is more dangerous than any kind of animal. Human is more poisonous than any kind of animal. Yes, she is speaking correct. You understand? Because there are sharks in the financial world. If you are loving India, Indian people, you are loving our mitti, our soil, so we must stop CIBIL score from India. We don't need any kind of this credit system. Just take it and throw out of India. We don't need any kind of no. I'm not speaking about the private firm, against about the private firm. Look at the China. There are millions of people. Maybe many people have made suicide in China because of this credit score system. They will create ban. They are banning you to move from the just one district to another district because of your low credit system. You will not get any kind of job. Your children are not going to in private schools or in government schools. Government will stop all these facilities to you. Even you cannot move to the another country. Now I have read one news about the Dubai. Dubai has given this such a great visa. So you can anyone can go to take a visa of Dubai and they can settle into the Dubai. Millions of entrepreneurs, millions of rich people, they are leaving India and staying in abroad, working in abroad. They are starting their startups in abroad. Why? Because the one of the greatest, deadliest virus is CIBIL. CIBIL, okay. CIBIL means Credit Information Bureau India Limited. This is a private company called TransUnion. It is an American firm. Why American firm is interested in Indian people's financial life? Why they are taking our data? Who are you to telling us? Our RBI has to look into this. RBI's governor has to look into this, and we need solution. Nirmala Sitharaman, who is the financial minister in India, she has to look into it. Our Narendra Bhai Modi, our Amit Bhai Shah, please look into this matter. We must stop CIBIL score system throughout India. We need India such a vast level in prosperity. We have to give loans like such a huge scale. We have to create a financial great atmosphere in India. And we need each and every person, one businessman, one entrepreneur from one home. We need a great movement for the moving ahead in the world of finance, in the world of innovation, in the world of creation. We must become a hub of creation, even service creation, even product creation. But this CIBIL system is a biggest obstacle in India. My heart is there is a cry in my heart. I am looking to the small entrepreneurs, girls and women and farmers and students, even students. They are not applying even for 20,000 rupees loans. You understand? Can you believe it? Only 10% people in India, they have managed CIBIL and all these things because already they have set up in businesses. but 90% people are struggling. This is very dangerous. This topic is very, very dangerous. This is a vicious circle, vicious cycle. Okay, if you have no score, you will not get loan. If you will not get loan, you can't move ahead. How can you move ahead? If you have an idea of a business, a small business, but you will not taking any such a 50,000 loan, 1 lakh rupees loan, 20,000 loan, 5 lakh loan. Somebody has to raise this question. And we must stop this evil system of CIBIL throughout the India. And I think each and every state ministers, we have many states in India, they have to raise this question. They have to stop this CIBIL system in their states also. They have to raise that we don't need this system, CIBIL credit system in India. So look, it's like an exam, paper exam. We are in college. So basically exam is a cruel, exam is a devil, exam is a poisonous. We must stop exams. But people are, I have seen the YouTube videos on this CIBIL score system. People are saying that, oh, within 5 minutes you can increase your CIBIL score. No, there is no system like this. Many videos I have seen that, but they are fake. People are in real, people are not getting loan. And without loan, how can one person move ahead? Think over it. What RBI is doing? Even KYC is such a biggest vicious circle. You understand? Each and every bank, even small financial systems, they are asking and calling you for the improve your KYC. Every year, every 6 months. Why you are harassing people? We need a better system in India. We need a motivational, we need an inspirational system of finance system to move ahead. Otherwise, I am just giving you a hint that if CIBIL score will stay in India and they are counting our social behavior, if they are counting our financial behavior, if they are taking our all data into the America, into the private firm, one day, sooner or later, they will start harass. All people will be in a trap. This will be an imprisonment or financial imprisonment. We will not move ahead. This will happen. This will be a financial pandemic. Look at the China on this subject. Millions of people in China, they are in depression. They have become homeless. Look, India is such a great potential right now. I'm just looking the future of India for upcoming 20 years, 30 years, it is bright. But we have to create a system that each and every Indian move ahead in financial status. because there is a word of in Hindi or Marathi, bhuke na hui bhajan gopala, means if you are hungry you cannot sing a devotional song for the God. You understand? If your stomach is full of food and water, then you can dance, you can sing. Otherwise, the all spiritual things that will be completely scam. That will be completely become such a illusion. Food is important. Like that, our money is like a blood, like is a breathing. We have to make such a very beautiful, very easy, simple transaction system. Means if somebody needs some money on the basis of loan, he has to get loan, she has to get loan. Check out this dangerous civil system. They will destroy India. They will destroy India's fortune. Okay, just take it out and throw it from the India. We don't need any kind of civil score system. You understand? You will be surprised that the whole world has created people who have not gone into the school, colleges, universities. Many biggest people who has created this world, innovative world, they have school dropouts, they have college dropout students. They have not given any kind of exams. This is a completely illusion. It is like a bad dream. It is like a vicious circle. Who are they? Okay, we are in exam, we are just improving our memory. We are reading books, keeping that books and answers into our mind, and we are writing the answers on the papers. This is now ChatGPT is there, Grok is there, artificial intelligence is there. Why keep I all information into my mind? My mind should be free for imagination. My mind should be free for innovation, for for thinking. Because we have to solve problems, we have to move ahead. We have to make our life better. So all examination throughout the world is dangerous. They are poisonous. They are cruel. They are not counting. They are not measuring our intelligence. They are just memories. They are increasing our memory power. Like that, our civil in financial system is dangerous. Okay, so remember that we must stop civil credit score system throughout India. If we are not stopping this system, we will have a biggest financial pandemic for upcoming years. Think over it and spread this word. I'm not speaking you like my channel or you can I'm gathering views. No, we want real change. We need a great awareness about this topic throughout India. We need a people's movement. Okay, so politicians can check on this, because politicians are little unconscious. because they are always running. They can't stop and think over it because mind is running so rapidly. So they can't think, they can't meditate on this topic. If your mind is never silent, but your body and mind in a balanced state, that is called samyak. This is a word of Gautama the Buddha. Samyak. If your mind is in balanced state, your body and mind, you can think over it. Just look at the rural area. There are millions of youth, men, women, they are struggling for loans. They are struggling financially. Why? Just check it. Why? Why such a big money? Banks are giving big money to the big business people. Why? So I request, I urge that we must think over it, and we don't need such a cruel and dangerous and poisonous CIBIL credit score system in India. Okay, and if you have to tag my video to the concerned person. I don't want any kind of controversy. I want your focus, I want your attention on this topic, on this subject. What is happening right now, I'm just putting some facts in front of you, in front of these authority person who are our prime ministers and home ministers and finance ministers, RBI, and these are many bank chairmen, big bank chairmen, private bank chairmen. They need to think over it, because CIBIL system is killing our innovations, killing our small entrepreneurs' ideas, because they are not providing any kind of loan. Just one payment. If you have taken loan and one payment for after 2 days, just today is the payment date, and after 2 days you have to pay the installment. Still, your score will go down. What kind of this system? What kind of this system? This is not good for healthy people. You understand? If you have such a cold or some headache or any kind of my health is not good, so you are giving me dangerous injection. I mean, if you are not waiting for 2 days, 3 days, what kind of this system? We need a human touch. And in CIBIL there is no human touch. This is an artificial intelligence system. And each and every bankers and banking representatives and politicians, they are unconscious. Even bank chairmen are unconscious. 90% people are struggling. Be conscious about it. Just look into it. Don't go for the data. Just see the real facts. I hope that my message will reach throughout the India. My message will reach to the concerned person who are authoritative in India, and sooner or in coming future, we must stop this CIBIL system throughout India. We have to delete it from the roots. If there is a tree of poison, we have to just take that, we have to, I mean, we have to cut that roots. Otherwise the tree will blossom again, because this is a poisonous tree. So we have to cut the all roots and burn that tree. Otherwise we will throw tree somewhere else, and the soil will be there, and the rain will come, the tree will again flourish, again standing. Okay, so we must aware about it, and we must throw out this civil score system throughout in India. We must raise India into prosperity through our innovation, your ideas, your services. Okay, because this is such a beautiful country, and we need little bit awareness about our financial status, and we have to save our, we have to inspire our youth, women, girls, farmers, students for innovation. And this will happen when we stop such a dangerous, cruel and very poisonous CIBIL credit score system throughout India. Okay, thank you.